Watch this video to learn 5 ways or 5 places, the safest, relatively safest ways to grow your investments, right? And the reason is because it's basically you lending money to the government. Safe investment kind of is hovering around 14 to 15% as of the time of recording the video, which is 2nd April 2025. And so if you're looking for investment, then Treasury Bill is still the safest bet for you. And so make sure to check it out. Now, the second one is mutual funds. So the difference between a Treasury Bill and a mutual fund is that mutual funds are professionally managed by fund managers or investments they are. So basically what happens is that you add any of them, but if they would like me to also endorse them, they can also we can also contact them, we can talk about it. Now, remember that with mutual funds, all investors who are in the fund, they put buying and holding of dollars. That is to hedge